The title of the project is Design and Simulated Verification of CNS Communication Navigation and Surveillance System Network to Support Urban Air Mobility, which was done by Soumya Jahan and Saidarja Gilani, supervised by Sir Irfan Majid. Now, what is urban air mobility? It is an innovative idea to replace day-to-day transportation with much convenient and reliable mode, which will be more efficient and time-saving. Avionics system developers are currently working on innovative technologies that are required in view of rapid expansion of global air transport and growing concerns for environmental sustainability of aviation sector. Many renowned names like NASA, Boeing, Airbus and many more are focused on enabling urban air mobility in near future. Initial purpose of urban air mobility is to provide air taxi services, package delivery and expanded air medical services which will take place at predetermined scheduled routes and stops throughout the city, similar to bus and metro routes on ground. To get this idea on wheel, we need to have a well-defined CNS system. The primary purpose of CNS system is to organize and stimulate the flow of air traffic, separate aircrafts to prevent collision, and to provide over-flight information to the pilot. CNS form infrastructure for air traffic management. So, what we did in our project? Firstly, we studied about urban air mobility and the key enablers of urban air mobility. We focused on the flight requirements and vertiport operations. Second step we took was to study CNS system thoroughly for conventional aviation. We also analyzed different options for urban air mobility. After enough deep study, we proposed a feasible CNS system for urban air mobility, and lastly we simulated CNS system for urban air mobility, and the software we used was MATLAB. These are some of the operational specifications and requirements for flight operations. These are the 7 phases that the aircraft has to follow. The region of flight operation is the capital city of Islamabad and adjoining regions. The area of flight operation is shown in the figure, and the table shows the location of vertiports. We have an international airport within the region which can be used as a backup in case of any emergency. After a deep study of CNS system and after analyzing different options of communication, navigation and surveillance for urban air mobility, we have proposed the following CNS system for urban air mobility. 3 representative cases of nominal and off-nominal flight cases are shared in slide number 12 and 13 regarding the proposed CNS system with bounds of chosen vertiports. Proposed CNS system is validated through simulations, and the proposed system is applicable to most urban scenarios. Projects and trials are already taking place around the world and working on urban air mobility solutions. These projects greatly enhanced avionics related knowledge. It can be useful regarding air traffic management related projects and research. Thank you for listening.